Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel a hotel reservation on Booking.com, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your booking efficiently. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Booking.com website, then sign in using your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Bookings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate the hotel reservation you want to cancel from your list of upcoming or past bookings. Step 4. Click on the reservation to view its details, including cancellation policy and any applicable fees. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Booking button, which is usually located near the Booking Details section. Step 6. Click on Cancel Booking and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation request. Step 7. Review the cancellation policy to understand if you will receive a full or partial refund based on the timing of your cancellation. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Booking.com verifying that your reservation has been cancelled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.